I got this, program to start creating a skill to calculate, something simple like the Fibonacci sequence. And the reason so is that, regular AI model would not be able to calculate this by itself without executing scripts on its own, right? So over here, what I'm trying to do is, creating a script to do so. And over here, you can start, it reads certain documentation on what it means to create a skill, loading a certain tools to do it, and then finally creating the JavaScript, to calculate this. And they would also kind of like run tests to make sure it works correctly, right? So it's trying to also see like the sequence, functionality as well. And then now it's trying to kind of like store it all at the same time. And this test is really quite powerful because you don't want to test whether like it's able to persist certain skills. So let's take a look at this. Right, so you can see there's a calculator skill and the skill is now live. So let's try it. Give me let's say 22, right? And what it's going to do is it's going to invoke that skill, and then we can test this out. 17711. So let's try this. So you can see it's correct. And now what is the most interesting here is that while we are doing that, this is what happened behind the scene, right? This is actually a virtualized directory where, for the context of the company, right, it actually creates an environment where it has the skill, right? So you can see this is the skill where you can calculate the Fibonacci sequence number, and it tells you how it works, right? And not just that, it would have the JavaScript where it can execute the function altogether. So this means that the AI actually can learn by itself, right? How it wants to do certain things, and create its own skills and create its own script to support those functions. So this is really powerful because this allows you to create AI agents that persist certain skills, knowledge, memory across like an organization, or in our case, agency altogether.